So now we're in the My Profile section, which is in the settings. From here, you'll see that you have your personal data information already in here. This will be in here upon registering for your account. So you'll see that your first and your last name and your email is here, but your phone number is not listed. Now, these items you can still edit here. So if you misspell something upon logging in, that's fine. You can change it here. If you want to change your email address, that's fine as well too. My information here is correct. My phone number is not listed, so I'll list in my business phone number. You can list in your personal phone number if you would like, but I prefer that you list your business phone number. So I will list that here. All right. Below this, you can insert your email signature, and this will you can tag this on to enable your signatures to go on all of your outgoing messages. You can create this here. You can also create one in Canva and download it to your computer and drop it in here. I will show you a video at a later time on how you can specifically do that to, add some extra jazz to it if you'd like. Once you've completed this section, I'm going to enable this for right now. Once you've completed this section, you will hit update profile to make sure that you save it.